Hello, everybody. So here is the solution for problem 11. We consider the first equation. So we multiply this by root x, which gives this equation. And then for the second equation, we can multiply both sides by root y, which also gives this. The reason why we would multiply root x to the first equation and root y to the first equation is because of how we see this. In fact, if you add the first and the second equation together, you will get root x plus root y raised to 5 equals to 64 root xy. And for the second equation, if you subtract them, it gives this. Mhm. Okay, now mm, so if you take either of the equations, this can be reduced to x equals to 9y. And then if you basically insert this 3 root y plus y raised to 5 equals to 64. No, this is actually 128y pala. Yeah, this is 128 root y pala. So this is, sorry for the mistake. And then we get 4 root y raised to 5, which gives 1024 y squared root y equals to 128. Now solving this gives y squared equals to oh, give me a sec. Let me see if I did this correct. So root x plus root y raised to 5 equals to 64. Okay, so it's supposed to be this. So root x plus root y over root x minus root y raised to 5 equals to 32. Thus, root x plus root y over root x minus root y equals to 2. Thus, if you multiply both sides the numerator and the denominator by root x plus root y, give me a sec to erase. You get x plus y plus 2 root xy all over x minus y equals 2. Okay, thank you, Denise. So we now have this. We now get this equation. And so, transferring the 2x and 2y terms to the other side gives x minus 3y. Okay? Lastly, if you square both equations, we get 4xy. 4xy equals x squared plus 9y squared minus 6xy. Therefore, x equals to 9y. We reject the x equals y case because we can't let x equals y be equal. So now, what remains is we have the following. Okay, so wait, what did I erase? Okay, nothing. So following the x minus 9y condition, we have that 81y squared plus 90y squared plus 5y squared equals to 33 root y. Now, adding all of these together gives 176 y squared equals to 33 root y. And now, 16y squared equals to 3 root y. Therefore, we have y cubed equals to 27 over 256. Thus, the value of y is just cube root of 27 over 256. So you can simply substitute this to the x value to get 6561. You correct me if I'm wrong, over 256. There we go.
Yeah, and then you can just compute the things from there. Right. So do we have any questions?
Is y cube 27 over 256? It seems that you squared both sides, right? In 16, y squared equals 3 squared of y.
Yes.
Then y is the numerator 27.
Yeah. Okay, wait, let me annotate the process. So 16, okay, 256y raised to 4 equals to 9y, which gives y raised to 3 equals to 9. This is 256, guys. And then thus, y equals to cube root 9 over 256. It's an arithmetic error, so no problem. This is supposed to be 9. Any more questions? Okay, if no more questions, Kaiser, you can.
Wait. What is the final answer?
Okay, so the final answer is, give me a sec. So if y is equal to cube root, then x is equal to cube root 6561 over 256. So essentially 6561 over 9. This is 6561 minus 9 all over 256, which is 6552 over 256. Basically, if it's 6552, I think you need to use the denominator. Basically, find the last 4 digits of it.
Okay. You're supposed to conclude that the answer is 819 over 32, which is 851.
Yes.
So do we have any other questions?
Yeah. Wait, so the GCD is 8.
Yeah. So Anyway, people can do the computation by themselves. I'll just circle the
Okay, done.
answer.
Did right, like I got to 728 y cubed, right? That's x cubed minus y cubed. So what is 728 times 27? No. What is 728 times 9 over 256?
What are you saying again? 720 times 9 over 256?
728. 728 times 9 over 256.
Okay, so the GCD is 8. Basically, this is 32. And then 728 divided by 8, this is 81. So this is 720. Okay, no. Yeah, this is 91 times 9. This is 819 over 32.
Yes, there we go. 819 over 32 is the answer.